Hello, my name is Stacey Brook and I am the founder and chief advisor at College Essay Advisors. And today I'm going to talk to you about how to make a successful college essay video. The college essay application video is something that has sort of come up occasionally over the past few years, but one can only assume that, especially as it applies to the YouTube generation, that college admissions essay videos are only going to become more pervasive, which is why we wanted to address how you can tell your story using one of these videos. So how do you create a college application video that makes an impact with admissions? Where do you even start? Just like with a college essay, you're going to want to be prepared. You're going to want to brainstorm ideas for what exactly you want to convey or communicate about yourself to admissions. What hasn't admissions seen or heard from you anywhere else on the application? Just like the college essay, your application video should give an admissions officer a peek into your brain. And what's cool about this medium is that you can literally show them. If you have a favorite library, a favorite restaurant, if there is something you make, if you create art, you can capture it on camera. Still, since this is a medium that not a lot of people are familiar with in terms of how to use it for the application process, there are some tips and pointers you should keep in mind. Tip number one, be authentic. So you're trying to create a realistic picture of you and who you are, which means you should work with the skills you have and the tools that you easily have at your disposal. So don't feel any pressure to make this an actual professionally shot video. You can use your iPhone, you can use the video camera at the library, and make sure to keep this conversational and also just produced at a level that you personally can accomplish. That said, tip number two, think ahead. There's a lot you can do to make your college admissions videos look fabulous if you take the time to plot things out. What are you going to wear? What time of day might you film something in where you're going to get a lot of natural light and someone's going to be able to see the background behind you, or even just see your face clearly. These are small details, but if you plan in advance, you can really do a lot to make sure that the video quality you capture is at its best. Tip number three, connect with your audience. So part of planning in advance is figuring out what you want to say, and I certainly recommend jotting down a script, maybe a few bullet points, but as much as you can, try not to read from a script. Try to deliver the messages you're trying to deliver into the camera, make eye contact. Even if it takes you a bunch of takes to get it right, you want to communicate with sincerity and give the person who's going to be watching this video a feel for what it would be like to have an actual conversation with you. Tip number four, address the school you're sending your video to. So as of yet, there is no overarching college admissions video requirement for the common application or the coalition application, not even for the UCs, at least not that we know of yet. So most of the schools that are going to be asking for this video are going to be asking for them independently of the larger application platforms. And that means that you can tailor these to each school that's asking for them. And that's hugely beneficial to you because you can showcase your fit with another school in the way you address that school in this video. So don't forget about personalizing these and tailoring them to the schools you're applying to as much as you can. There are so many ways you could go about approaching this video, so much creativity that you can take advantage of here. You could break the fourth wall. You could give a list of your favorite things. You could interview friends and family. The list goes on and on. This is an opportunity for you to showcase your personality, for you to give admissions a taste of your sense of humor, for you to give them a real peek into what makes you you. So take advantage of that opportunity. For some inspiration, watch your favorite YouTubers. What makes them likable? How do they deliver their information in a way that feels conversational? Are there any tips that you might be able to just take some notes on and marinate in before you turn on your own camera and start speaking? Finally, make sure to follow the instructions a school gives you. Some schools are going to give you less parameters and more creative freedom. They're gonna be thrilled if you send them something that's a little bit more of an immersive viewing experience. Others are going to be looking for something that's a little bit more straightforward and interview style. So just make sure that before you start brainstorming and preparing that you know what the assignment entails. The real secret to success with these videos is communicating your message clearly and doing it in a way that makes admissions feel confident that you're going to bring something to campus that nobody else can bring. If you are looking for additional advice on how to create a stellar college application video, we at College Essay Advisors are now offering brainstorming and review services for the college application video. So go to collegeessayadvisors.com, you can fill out a contact form, and we're happy to give you more information about how we can help guide you through the process of creating a video that's really going to make an impact with admissions. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. We are going to be uploading many more videos for the 2018-19 application season, so check back for regular editions. Also, if you want more information about College Essay Advisors one-on-one advising services, feel free to check us out, collegeessayadvisors.com. We also have an online course where you can get essay help right now. Again, check out collegeessayadvisors.com. Follow us on social media, but don't forget, come back here to find more videos for tips and tricks to help you with your admissions essays.